Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford F150 mirrors. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror assembly. Always ensure your truck is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to guarantee your safety throughout the process. Additionally, place a protective blanket or towel on your door panel to prevent any accidental scratches or damage while working. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry it off, revealing the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connections. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions, such as heating or power adjustments. Finally, unscrew the 3 mounting nuts or bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame, typically using a 10mm socket. Now, it's time to install your brand new mirror. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, ensuring the mounting studs align perfectly with the holes. Hand tighten the 3 mounting nuts or bolts first to hold the mirror in place, then use your socket wrench to snug them down securely. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to restore all power functions to your new mirror. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place for a secure fit. Before you hit the road, thoroughly test all functions of your new mirror, including power adjustments, turn signals, and heating elements. Confirm that the mirror is firmly attached and provides a clear, unobstructed view for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your Ford F150 mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.